Hello, modeling community. I have to report that this will be my last video. I had sent some of them license plates and hinges to a few people to evaluate, and they liked them, so I decided I would start selling them at 8 plates for $2.50, and I've had 4 customers so far, and 3 and 4 got pissed off because I had given some away. So that's it. I am done. I am not making any more license plates. They are not for sale, and not selling any hinges, not selling any tachs. That's it. I will continue to watch videos, but as far as me posting anymore, for right now, I'm done. I've had enough. I did not mean to piss these guys off. I'm sorry about it. Their money is getting refunded, and they're getting sent some more license plates free of charge. And that's it. I'm done. Finished. Kaput. No more Pappaws Scale Dreams. My dreams have turned into a nightmare, and I don't need the fucking shit. Sorry about that, but that's the way I feel right now. A month from now, I don't know, but this is it. I've had it. I am done. You got a lot of good people out there, like Ray 1965. Okay, I sent him a whole bunch of license plates because he sent me a bunch of wheels. And then one set of them I'm passing on to Chris Chapman, and I'm the bad guy. Well, this bad guy just has given up. I can't take it no more. It's, you try and sell something at what I thought was a very reasonable price, and apparently it wasn't. And I don't want to get people pissed off, so that's it. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I am done. Stanley, you be careful, buddy. Okay? Cousin Hurley is out of here. Hope everybody has sweet scale model dreams. I will be watching. See ya.